Hello, namaste. My name is Laura, and thank you for joining me today for this meditation centered around the Anahata Chakra, the heart chakra. I'm really very happy that you're here. And for this meditation, you could be seated or you could lay back, whatever feels most comfortable for you. If you will be staying in a seated posture, you might like to roll through the shoulders, to roll through the neck. If you're laying back, take your time to reach for a pillow for the head. Maybe you prop up your legs, your knees with a bolster, and maybe you stretch out, take a big stretch if you feel to. And the eyes may close. Begin to draw your awareness inward. When we connect with Anahata Chakra, we connect with the air element and the breath. Start to notice the natural, already happening rhythm of your breath. And you may feel your breath naturally lengthening and deepening as you bring attention to your breath. Intention follows. Notice the touch of the air around the nostrils. Through the sinuses, the windpipe, the lungs. You might sense how the air on the inhale is lighter and cooler. The air on the exhale, warmed by the heart, may be more humid and dense. And as you trace this path of each breath in and out of the body, you might sense that this breath is like a portal, as if it lights the way to this internal space, drawing you deeper and deeper to this inner landscape. Connecting more and more intimately to this space of the heart. You might imagine your heart like an unending, eternal space. Room for the entire spectrum of your experience. This heart holds everything you cherish, value, and hold sacred, and is still open to welcome more. There's nothing to change here in your heart, as this unending space creates room for it all. Nothing to push away. Meeting, greeting, and welcoming whatever may be. And as you sit with what may be here, you may sense the presence of a deep, heartfelt desire for yourself and for the life that you are cultivating, creating. An unwavering, unshakable, heartfelt intention, as if you carry a seed, a sacred seed in the space of your heart, that you nourish with your loving energy and attention, that you tend to. A seed to be planted, yet simultaneously this seed is in bloom, alive and well. As you connect with this deep, heartfelt desire, you can be open to what is here. If there are words, images, feeling tones as sensation in your body that connect you to what you are calling in, the seed that is both growing and flourishing as you nurture it, yet new beginnings and new life ready to grow from it. As you connect with your intention, you connect with this internal source of energy, of prana, life force energy, in your own unique and beautiful way. Your own unique expression. Sensing the presence of this energy in your heart, this force. And you might imagine that you breathe in to nourish this seed, and that you breathe out to help it along in taking root. Imagine this breath drawing in from the crown of the head to the heart, drawing out from the heart, down the spine and into the earth, as if rooting into the earth. Breath flows, energy flows along with breath through crown into the heart. Exhaling down the spine, roots growing into the earth, the seed rooting into this manifest plane. Breathing into the heart, exhaling, awareness draws down energy down toward the earth. Imagine, visualize your seed taking root, your intention being made manifest. And just as a seed carries all of the DNA from past generations, the wisdom to grow to fullness, to a full bloom, this unfolding life. You can realize that the seed you're planting today is nurtured by this life right here, this beautiful being right here already. Feeling supported by the intelligence of life in that way, supported by your own heart. And though you might be imagining that you are planting the seed, just planting the seed today, know that you're already calling in and cultivating what it is that you wish to flourish. And you can let the visualization go. Breathe naturally now. Sense the breath in the heart. Gather the hands palm to palm at the heart center. And we'll chant the seed sound, the Bij mantra of Anahata Chakra, the sound of Yam, 4 times. Let's take a deep breath in. Feel this chant resonating in the heart twice more. Bow the head toward the heart. Peace to all, light to all, love to all. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining me today for this meditation practice for Anahata Chakra. I hope that you enjoyed and that you feel more connected to your heart space, the wisdom of the heart. that is here now, that has always been. Beautiful. You can let me know how you're feeling in the comments below. If you feel to share one word about your intention, I'd love to hear from you. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.